Because I've never seen anything like this.
We could say that this Wonder Woman has skills.
She has skills unlike, well, she says, unlike any other woman in the Pacific. She says she's the only one that can do this. Her name is Apu Pukarua. She's from the Cook Islands, and she can husk a coconut.
And we believe her.
Yeah, with her teeth. With her teeth. Watch.
Her talents are many. She can sing, she can dance, but the talent that makes her famous, husking a coconut with her teeth. Just remember, the first bite's the hardest. But after she gets started, stand back, 'cause husks were flying everywhere.
Unbelievable. And you, yes, you can see it live and in person. She's performing at 3 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow and on Thursday and on Friday at the Polynesian Cultural Center. But Robert, you say you're not really impressed?
If she really wanted to impress me,
Yeah,
she would have cracked it open on her head, too.
Well, hey, who knows? Maybe she'll do that this week before it's all over with. Polynesian Cultural Center, the Wonder Woman of the Cook Islands.